Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing something very fun today with the babies. Go Brody, go Brody, go, go, go Brody. Go Sawyer, go Sawyer.
I'm not dancing.
Oh, we pinched our finger right before we started filming, so we're in a bit of a mood. But you know what turns around any mood, good or bad? Making Christmas cookies. You wanna make Christmas cookies with us? You don't know? Okay, let's get all of our ingredients. And you know what? Mommy is gonna put baby in a carrier, and we're gonna see how this goes. Lord help us. I should have picked a shorter hat for Brody. We need some flour. We need some sugar, brown sugar, and white sugar. And we're gonna need some eggies. Well, first I gotta turn the oven on. That's a very important step here. Okay, and then we need 1 cup, this whole thing of butter.
Butter turned in cookies.
Good job. You know, I didn't think this through as far as putting you right in front of the trash can. I think we're gonna have to squeeze over. There you go. All right, 1/2 cup is like right there. Let's shake it. That's 1/2 cup. Okay, can you pour that into there? Whoa. So we are using the Betty Crocker's sugar cookie recipe. Mix the sugar, egg. Well, we need more egg. We need to get 1 egg. Do you think we could do an egg? Yeah. Okay, ready? You're gonna crack it into here, okay? Remember, you hit it here and then you crack it in there. Okay, put it in here. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. We got it, good job.
That was quick.
Pour the egg into here, okay? Ready? Good job. We did it. Okay, then we gotta add our salt and our vanilla. We like to do more than whatever it says for the vanilla, because vanilla is just yummy. Ooh, that was probably more than I anticipated. I got knocked in the elbow. Guess what? Now it's time to mix it, which means you get to move this lever over 1, just to 1. Oh, good job. Okay, then we gotta do 2 1/4 of all-purpose flour. Now, pour it in. Okay, now we gotta push it back up, and you gotta push the button again. Can you push the button again? Good job. Let's put some more in there. And let's turn it off. What do you think? Does it taste good? Mmm. Okay, that's the last little lick, okay? We gotta wait till we bake them. What time is it? Brody, it's almost your nap time. Are you ready to take a nap?
I don't have a last one.
Say night-night. No, that was it. Say night-night.
Have a little leg.
Sawyer, we gotta put it in this really cool thing. Do you wanna see? It's called a cookie dough squeezer. Okay? I forget what it's called, but that's pretty much what it does. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna put baby down.
It's called a bakery squeezer.
Bakery squeezer?
Yeah. And once I use this, and this thing is crazy. It's super crazy though.
Sawyer, did you wait for me? You didn't eat any more? You waited? High five. Okay, you can have 1 little teeny tiny lick. Little. Oh, good job. Oh, is that good?
Don't we see the squeezer?
You want to see the squeezer?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the cookie dough squeezer. Oh, do you want to know how it works?
What does it do?
Okay, so we push this button and we pull it all the way up, and then we unscrew it, and then we unscrew the bottom, and we pick out a shape. What shape do you want to do? Oh, they have a Christmas tree. Then we're gonna take our dough and we're gonna separate it into 4 sections, okay? Now, Mommy is gonna take our dough and we're gonna roll it into a log. Does that look like a log to you?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put it inside the squeezer.
Inside the squeezer?
We're gonna screw it on like this. We're gonna go down and down and down. See how it keeps going down and down until it starts to come out and you get all the air out. Now it says not to use any grease or parchment paper or anything because you want these to stick on here. So there's our tree. Can you pull this lever down? Okay, ready? Let go. Let go. Why doesn't it stick? It's supposed to stick. Let me try this other one. Okay, ready? Pull that down. What's happening? Let's try one more time.
Maybe like that's hard.
That did it!
But
We did it! Look at those little cute cookies. Okay, ready?
need them?
Whoa! Okay, you want to do one? We did it! Okay, now we're gonna take some sprinkles.
I want those sprinkles.
You don't want these?
I like those.
You like these ones?
I like that one.
The green ones, because it's a tree. Can you sprinkle a little bit? Good job.
Mama,
Please?
I'm going to do a different shape now.
Oh, what shape do you want to do? Let's see what our options are. We could do a snowflake.
I need snowflake.
Whoa, show Mr. Noah the snowflake on the camera so he could see it. Like, try to look through it with your eyeball. Whoa, good job, Sawyer. Okay, look. What is that?
Snowflake.
A snowflake. Okay, can you push it down really slow? Okay, let it go. This pan. They tell you not to use nonstick pans, and I guess this is kind of a nonstick pan. These are really pretty snowflakes, huh? Okay, into the oven. Alexa, please set a timer for 7 minutes. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, let's see if it'll work on the first try. Slow. Yay! Look how cute these little teddy bear legs are.
Mom, the other ones ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's better. Alexa, please set a timer for 8 minutes. These guys are so cute. Sawyer, look at this one. I'll bring it to you, okay? That one's perfect. We won't eat it. We'll just let it cool and we'll put it on our baking sheet. Sawyer, can you fill this up for me? Are you turning into a transformer? Which transformer are you right now? Optimus, Brad. Not Optimus, Octimus. Hey, can I be Bumblebee? Hey, what can Mr. Noah be? Can he be Whirl?
Yeah.
Whirl? Tell him what Whirl is.
We're on the helicopter.
A helicopter?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. I've always wanted to be a helicopter.
1.
I feel it.
Good job! So we have our egg and our peanut butter and our sugars. Okay, one little, there you go.
That's loud.
Gotta let it mix for 2 minutes.
That's what I feel like.
Yeah.
Okay, can you pour the egg into there?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Good job. All right, now turn it on. Just a little bit. Not too much. Yeah. 1, let's count it. 1. Can you say 2?
2. That's big.
4. That's good. Good job. Good job. Okay, this is baking soda. Do you want to whisk it together for me? Okay, now I think we add it to our other mixture.
Big. Super big. This is the small one.
Ooh. All right, let's make sure it's all mixed. Alexa, please set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. starting now.
Sawyer, can you put all of these cookies on this sheet for me? Can you put the cookies over there while I go get baby Brody? Which one should Brody try? Thank you. Cheers, Brody. Can you do cheers? Cheers. All right, now, Sawyer, did you know that there's other ingredients we're gonna add? Do you want me to show you what they are? We have red M&Ms for the nose, pretzel pieces for the ears, don't eat them. And we have chocolate chips for the eyeballs. Sawyer, they turned out so cute. You want to come look at them? Is that a reindeer, Brody? 1, 2, 3. Aren't they so cute? Gotta let them cool a little bit, then you could try one. Oh, Lordy. Whew.
Mommy, I'm going to clean the windows.
Oh, with my whisk?
Yeah.
Maybe not. Okay, ready?
Bye.
Say bye-bye, thanks for baking with us. Did you have fun, Sawyer?
Bye-bye, then
Hey, can you say it serious?
Yeah.
Brody, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. His new favorite thing is this. Okay, well, if you want a cookie, you gotta say bye to our friends.
Bye-bye.
Basie, oh, you got chocolate all over your face. I guess that's fitting, huh?
Bye-bye.
If any of these cute little Christmas items, Christmas baking items caught your eye, all of these are from Amber Marie & Co. So if you guys are interested in getting some fun spatulas or cookie cutters, you need to update some of your baking supplies, I will link the things that we used here today. It just makes it so much more fun, you know? Well, thank you guys for watching. We hope you have a Merry Christmas season. And we hope that you... I hope you try some of these recipes. Try some of them soon. Whoa! We were gonna make a third cookie, but I don't think we have it in us at this point. Anyway, love y'all, mean it. I hope you have a great Christmas season, and I hope this was fun. This was fun for us, and I encourage you to do it with your kids as well. Merry Christmas! Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Say it for real.
I'll get that out. You'll get that out.
Yeah, but you have to say Merry Christmas first.
Merry Christmas.
From a 3-year-old. Bye-bye. Okay. How the heck does this thing? This thing is a piece of crap. I'm like, how am I supposed to get this out? My thumbs don't work when you use this.
Alexa?
I need to figure that out.